I think it's so important to stay relevant on regenerative medicine and protocols. What are the different types of treatments out there, whether it's coming from your own body, whether it's a donated product, and what are the protocols and why?
The longevity space has been targeted as a $44 trillion industry over the next 5 years. You're either going to catch this wave and continue to grow in your practice, or you're going to be left behind. Dr. Gary Rademacher here from Regen Summit. The reason why we bring this to you guys is so that you stay on top of things. Karen and I spend weekends, I'm talking many weekends a year, going to conferences, and we combine the best of the best and bring it to one conference. This is your opportunity to pencil this in and actually gain the knowledge that you can take your office to the next level.
We are going over all the different options that you can bring in or that you're currently doing and getting updates to stay relevant, save time, and to have more effective flows through your office, and most importantly, better patient outcomes. From a cellular science perspective, why would a provider choose one type of a product? And then what is the delivery method of that product? These are all questions that will be answered here at the summit from the experts that are in practice.
Many of you that I speak to have issues and problems with new patients, with closing them on care, but a lot of that comes from you not completely understanding regenerative medicine. You guys have got to put the time in to actually learn the technology, and it's changing. You've seen testimonials. People have said this is the best regenerative seminar they've ever gone to. We've made it better this year than it was last year and the year before. Whether it's time, money, or relevance, I can guarantee you we're going to check the box on all those things so that you get your investment back very quickly. I've had those same concerns in my own education in the past, but I know that every time I've spent money on myself, I've always gained that money back very quickly, because that's something no one can ever take away from you, is what you learn.